when I think of this from a team management standpoint, so again, putting, Avionos and Adobe to the side for a moment, but when I think about my team, what I've really come to from a point of maturity when I've got this global team in place that we've grown over the time is, a little bit of less is more, right? That you don't need to be doing 5 million things in 5 million different places. You don't need to be, having your team go in, if you've got 10 team members going in 10 different directions. From a quarterly planning standpoint, from a road mapping standpoint, finding value in unification of those professional skills across user experience, performance marketing, insights, publishing, and personalization at the nexus of all of those things has really driven value for us because from a team management and motivation standpoint, people know what they're doing and they know when they're doing it well. From an impact to the organization, you can drive more impact internally, and from an impact to a customer, it could be much more precise in what you're doing. So that's my advice to you as a team manager, as a leader in the organization. And again, that then helps when you come back to CMS, when you come back to personalization tool and analytics tool, and when you come back to a provider like Avionos, to be able to have a lot more of a nutrient-rich conversation.